Hey, do I have paint on this lens?
No, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. I just want you to run straight to it. That's all you gotta do. And then every once in a while, try to poke your head out, see if you see movement. If you see movement,
That's what I was doing last time. I was just shooting at a barrier.
that works. Yeah. I forgot to put my guard on this. My hand. We'll see if I can make it to that one.
To the far blue left?
Yeah, far left. All right. I'm gonna see if I can make it to that blue one. I'll probably get lit up, but it's worth a try.
Maybe you have to go from here.
No, I'm going straight to it because if I zigzag, I'm gonna be in trouble. Left side! Left side, red! 2, left side! Woo! Buck tag, buck tag, buck tag, buck tag. Woo! I'm out. I'm out. Oh, that hurt. I got shot in the stomach, man. That was awesome. Oh, that little gun hurts. Should be 2-on-1, isn't it? Yeah, Jason. You gotta find him. Don't move back, move forward. Don't pay attention to your guy, pay attention to, look for the other guy. You're doing the right thing. Whew. That hurt, man. You got me right in the stomach, man.
Yeah, I saw that one coming.
I didn't see him over here at all. I just saw these two over here, and I was like, oh, I could tag him.
Yeah. Yeah. And I agree, but I always tell people that. Like, we played the other day.
Excuse me.
They had like the whole team on village. Underneath that tower. Right off the lawn.
Keep firing. Push in on him. Push in on him. Push in. Good. Yeah.